Hi, it's me again. So today we are going to cover the lesson 2, cover about how to make a conversation for your own story and how to do some editing for the appearance and how to add your new object and using a broadcast function to make the conversation smoother. Okay, let's go ahead. In last lesson, we covered about motion, how to move your cats. So now we are going to cover how to make your cat talk. So you see the looks programming blocks. I'll be talking about this. Next lesson we are going to talk more about this, make it more animation. Alright, so if you click to costume, you'll see your cat over here and there's another costume. So basically it will be like this. Click your cat and go to costumes over here. So you can see if you flip this one, switch it between repeating again, repeat and repeat again, and you'll see animation. Okay, so and actually you can modify the direction of the cat. See which the cat is facing which side. Let's go back to right side. And this is the coding. Let's go back to the slides and we'll see. So how to transform your object into animation? You just flip these two together and we'll cover in next lecture for the costume. This lesson we are going to do how to make it talk or think. So you can draw your costume for animation like flipping comic, but here we just use default. And how to make it say something. So you got two kind of blocks. One is say hello, one is think. And we're going to event and add the starting button and go to look and make it say hello. Then we start, he will say hello for 2 seconds. And let's wait for 1 second and we do it another think. So you'll see a difference. Saying is like a dialog box and thinking is a thinking box. This is how to make it speak. Then now we are going to add another object so we can make it have a conversation together. So I just add a new, you just select this one and go to add a dog too. So I'll show you over here. You click this, choose a sprite and go to, you can search over here, search for dog, or you can go to animal. I'm going to add this dog too. Now the problem is over here. Okay, I can see the cat is facing the dog, but the dog is not facing the cat. So I'm going to flip this dog and make it face to the left side. So here I flip it and I flip all the way to here. So when I want to do animation, you will see the dog. All of the costumes is facing to the left side. So I just switch it back to the first. And this lesson we are not going to make it like animated, we just make it talk to each other. So here is a conversation we are going to do. And I want to make a conversation like this. Cat will say hi doggy, then dog will reply hi catty. And cat will say what's up, how are you? And dog will reply this blah 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 blah. And cat say sure, let's go. And how do we arrange the conversation between here? Okay, you know the say function, and because you are going to be cat saying first, after that will be dog's turn. So let's go to the programming over here. Let's see. Okay, so first thing, the cat is going to say something like hi doggy for 1.5 seconds. So I just type hi doggy for 2 seconds. Okay, this one depends on you. I just show like 1.5 seconds so it won't get longer. I just make it 1.5 seconds short and simple. And now it's dog's turn. So I also put this one. But if you click this one, he will do together. He will run together. So this one will say hi catty for 1.5. Okay. So when I click start, they will both say at the same time, but I want to make it like cat's turn before dog speaking. So now the cat will say this one for 1.5 seconds. Okay, I just make it. Okay, before dog's turn, it's going to wait until the cat saying the first sentence. So I just put 2 seconds. So 1.5 seconds is for the cat speaking, and 0.5 seconds is waiting for a while and say. Then we click this one, it's more like conversation now. Hi doggy, hi catty. Responsive and based on the conversation. It's not like one time speak together. So after that, after hi Caddy for 1.5 seconds, the cat is going to say something. What's up? How are you? And now I'm going to add another, because after dog saying 1.5 seconds, the cat is going to wait for 1.5 seconds. So I just put 2. 0.5 seconds is for thinking. It's like an interval. So I just put what's up? How are you? I just duplicate this one because he's going to do like 2 sentences. What's up? And so I put 1.5, and this is going to how are you? It's asking how are you? 1.5 seconds. So now total up is 3 seconds. So dog will be waiting for another 3 seconds. So I just put 3.5 because 3 seconds is cat speaking and 0.5 is the interval before the dog speak. After that it's going to be dog's turn. Oops. And here you are going to type in quite busy lately. Quite busy lately. And I'm going to have my lunch. I just duplicate this. Duplicate again. Okay, I put it 1.5. Actually you can put it 1.5 before you duplicate. So easier for you. And saying I'm going to have my lunch. I'm going to have my lunch. Then wanna grab some food together. He's asking the cat to join the lunch together. Food together. Okay, so here total is 4.5 seconds. 1.5, 1.1, 1.5. So okay, so you see total up. Wait for 2 seconds. 1.5 seconds. Okay. 4.5, I just make it 5. And he will say, sure, let's go. This one. Anything. You just put, hi doggy. So it will be like more like a conversation. What's up? And dog will say something. Quite busy lately. And continue. And ask. Okay, Sima. I need to put a question mark after that. Okay, because here you got some delay, so you can put here 5.5. Okay, so here will be one like conversation. Hi Caddy, what's up? How are you? Yeah, okay, so this is basically a conversation, but you may find that it's a bit hard for you to calculate whose turn. It's like if you're making a drama or any movie, if the actor need to cue for next speech, he will do some signal. It's like after saying hi doggy, instead of waiting for 2 seconds, instead of let the dog to wait for 2 seconds, I just send a broadcast. Okay, so this one I put message 1. Okay, this one done. After I say this one means message 1 is done. So when the dog receive message 1, he will say hi Caddy. Okay, or if after the cat say hi doggy, then he wait for 0.5 seconds, they say hi Caddy, and he will respond, send a signal to the system and say a new message. I'll create a message 2. And after when the cat realize message 2 is already done, then it's the cat's turn to speak. So I will drag the wait function 0.5 seconds. Then it's cat's turn. After it's saying what's up, how are you, it's dog's turn. So we are going to broadcast the message. Okay, dog's turn. Then maybe this one is message 3. It's okay, you can put 1, 2, 3 also can. Doesn't matter. Depends on you. Because if your conversation gets longer and longer, then you may need to do some management over here. So after receive message 2, you will wait for 0.5 seconds, then say all this. After that, he will say, okay, message already done. Then I send message 4. Then after the cat gets received the message 4, he will wait for 0.5 seconds. Sure, let's go. And let's see. Here, hi Caddy. Then he will broadcast this one. Then he will receive this one and say this one. After that, wanna grab some food together, then he will receive and say, sure, let's go. So this is what basically the broadcast function will solve your timing issue. Because timing, you are going to need to count it yourself, and if the conversation gets longer and longer, it's hard to do some management for the counting. It's better for you to do some management on broadcasting. So you can see here, notes, it's like acting based on cues. So if Cathy is the conversation starter, after first sentence, Cathy will send a message to doggy as it's doggy turn. So then after doggy ends its turn, it will tell Cathy to start its turn. Okay, so you can try to create your own story. So I can give you a mission like this. So conversation, you can do a conversation like this. The cat will say good morning doggy, then dog will respond with this, and cat, dog. Pause for moment means you need to add some wait for a second, so looks like the dog is thinking something. And this one is a conversation for the for your own story. You can make a little adjustment, but this one is just a mission for you to do. And the second mission is you try to change these two characters to the sprites. For example, you can use dinosaur over here and use a bear over here, and you need to design your own conversations, as talking about MCO or talking about movies or talking about school days. Just keep the conversation short. 6 to 10 is enough, because if it gets longer, it will get you very confused. Because as if you are a beginner, you will feel that too many blocks is very hard for you to understand. So you just keep it short. And if you have any question, you can put it to the comment, or you have any ideas, you can put it to comment. And if you like our videos, you can subscribe to our videos. And thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next lesson.